You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this Italian food name for more names from different cuisines, especially Japanese cuisine, different sushi types. Make sure to stay tuned. Literally meaning I live up to you. Japanese pronunciation omakase, omakase, meaning I leave it up to you. So if you say omakase to a Japanese chef, he's going to serve whatever type of sushi he wants to make. Omakase. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.